In this video, you can learn how to auto-post from your WordPress site to your Facebook page. I will be using this WordPress site, contentson.com, to auto-post in this Facebook page, IntelliConcepto. So let's get started with the process. In WordPress dashboard, first, you will need to search and install a new plugin. Plugins page, search for Blog 2 Social plugin. And here it is, install and activate it. Next, on the left-hand side of the page, click Blog 2 Social tab. And again click Networks tab. And in the right side of the page, you will see Facebook and other social media networks. Click Connect Page button to connect to Facebook page. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook account, or else you need to log into your Facebook account to continue with the process. All permissions to continue to connect and authorize the WordPress plugin to auto-post into your Facebook page. Here we are requesting access from Facebook profile. And next, if you have more than one Facebook page set up in your Facebook account, select the page in which you want to auto-post. As mentioned before, I want to auto-post into my IntelliConcepto Facebook page. You need to select the page that you want to auto-post in your Facebook account. And done, you can see here, my IntelliConcepto Facebook page has been connected to WordPress. Any post published in my Contents on WordPress site will be auto-posted to this IntelliConcepto Facebook page. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.